Good evening, everybody. Dubs here from 643boxbreaks.com, and this is box break number 165, 1314 SPX. And here is your list of winning bidders. All right, just a few things to go over before we start. Our roulette board today looks a little bit like this. We've got green on 0 on 00, on 2, green on 5, orange on 8, green on 11, green on 17 and 20, green on 23, orange on 29, green on 32, and orange on 35. So if at any time during the break we spin one of those numbers on our roulette wheel, we will give away one of the following cards. If we spin a green chip, we will be giving away this Dalton Prout Rookie Treasures. And if we spin an orange chip, we will be giving away this Nick Fotiu Silhouette. In versus today, we've got the following two cards here. In the red corner, we've got, returning from last week, the jersey patch of Chris Stewart from Artifacts. And in the black corner, we've got a Frozen Artifacts jersey patch of Drew Stafford. So at the throughout the break, whenever we spin on the roulette wheel, if a black or red spot is spun, we will add a counter to the associated card, and at the end of the break, whichever card has the most counters will be given away. Our short straw cards for today are as follows. We've got a pair of Towering Defenders. On the right, we've got a Kerry Lettinen for the Stars, and on the left, we've got Henrik Karlsson for the Blackhawks. So let's head off to two separate teams who failed to get hits during the regular portion of the break. So if you miss out during the box, fear not, because you'll still get a shot at one of those. So in true Dubs fashion, we're going to spin our wheel to start things off and refund a team for this break. So that is going to be number 25. Team 25 will be getting the refund today. And that is a red chip. Number 25. And the team behind 25 for the refund today is going to be the Phoenix Coyotes. So congratulations to DJ and Ellis Bomb. I will refund the Coyotes to you a little bit later on. All right, get into our box of SPX here. Here's our serial number. NE207143075. We'll start off with that bonus pack. Empty box. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. All right, so we got Joe Thornton up top for the Sharks. Taves for the Blackhawks, Ladd for the Jets, Taylor Hall for the Oilers, and our first hit is going to the Minnesota Wild. It is Darcy Kuemper. That one will be hitting to RNO M2, number 232 out of 499, and for getting the first strike of the break, Matt will be including a pack of 1314 Select. With your name on it. So that is our first strike winner of the break. All right, getting to the main packs for SPX. We've got ourselves Kunitz for the Penguins. And this little eager beaver here, we got a retro card of Luke Robitaille for the Kings. That'll be heading to DJ and Ella's mom. We've got a Spacer, Weber for the Preds, and Evander Kane for the Jets. Alright, we got Erik Karlsson for the Senators, Backstrom for the Capitals, and we got a rookie of Eric Gryba for the Ottawa Senators. That will also be heading to Aaron. And Spacer, and Landeskog for the Avs. Alright, in here we got Chara for the Bruins. And we've got ourselves a shadow box, and it's a Crosby! Case hit right there for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Be nice if we could focus. Really be nice if we could focus. There we go. What a shadow box. It's got some depth to it there. And that'll be heading to Aaron. So what a hit. That threw me off. I did not expect that to be a 2-card pack. And that's the break. Let's pack up and go home. No, those are not. It didn't seem like those were numbered. I don't see a number anywhere. We got Stepniak for the Flames, Voinov for the Kings, and a nice dual jersey winning materials of Steven Stamkos for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Top jersey swatch has a bit of black and silver. That'll be headed to Mike Hallett. Pietrangelo for the Blues, and Seabrook for the Blackhawks. We got Sagan for the Stars, Michael Latta for the Washington Capitals. That'll be heading to Mike Hallett. Spacer, Perry for the Ducks, and Duchesne for the Avalanche. We got Pacioretty up top for the Canadians, Backlund for the Flames, and for the Edmonton Oilers, we've got a Nail Yakupov rookie materials. Erin is just lining her pockets tonight. It's a nice card. I like how white it is. We've got Getzlaff for the Ducks and Parento for the Avalanche. Bobrovsky up top for the Jackets, followed by Jonathan Bernier for the Leafs, and for the Minnesota Wild, it is Charlie Coyle. And Spacer, and Pavelski for the Sharks. James Neal for the Penguins, Jonathan Toews for the Blackhawks, and an autograph rookie. It is Michael Granlund for the Minnesota Wild. 2 red jersey swatches numbered 172 out of 499. And Patrick Sharp for the Blackhawks, followed by Burrows for the Canucks. Four packs to go. We've got Derek Roy for the Blues, and Jacob Trouba for the Winnipeg Jets. That'll be heading to Mike Hallett. Spacer, Derek Stepan for the Rangers, and Ryan Suter for the Wild. Sid the Kid up top for the Penguins, Carey Price for the Canadiens, and we got a Canuck rookie. It is Frank Corrado. That'll be heading to Mike Hallett. Spacer, and Zetterberg for the Red Wings. 2 packs to go. And looks like we got a die cut in here. Kyle Okposo for the Islanders. And behind that, for the Chicago Blackhawks, it is Patrick Kane. That'll be heading to DJ and Ella's mom. Spacer, and Marleau for the Sharks, and Doan for the Coyotes. And our last pack, we got Patrick Kane for the Blackhawks, and a rookie for the Blackhawks. It is Antti Ranta. Spacer, Kopitar for the Kings, and Eliash for the Devils. And that is our box of SPX. What a beauty. Alright, so first off, before we head into the next bonuses, I need to take a look and see who our high roller was today. The high roller in the break will be the individual with the highest bid that failed to get a hit, and they will win themselves a slot in the customer appreciation break. So just bear with me a moment. And our high roller has been determined. It is the Montreal Canadiens and DJ and Ella's mom. So Aaron, I will put you down as spot number 26. DJ and E. So there you go, spot number 26. The list is almost full, just a couple more spots to go. So we'll take a look at our short straw now. So down here we've got the teams that got hits during the break. This one here being the big one. So we'll shuffle all these guys off since they're no longer important. And we'll place the remainder of the teams into this cup. And we'll shake that around. So just to recap, our 2 short straw cards for this break was the Kari Lehtonen Towering Defenders and the Henrik Karlsson Towering Defenders. So we'll start with Karlsson, finish off with Lehtonen. So for Karlsson, that'll be heading to the Toronto Maple Leafs and SMG. And Lehtonen will be heading to the Detroit Red Wings and DJ and Ella's mom. So those are your short straw winners. Next up, we will take a spin on the wheel and give away a customer appreciation box slot. So here's our spin. So that spot will be going to black team number 4. So we'll take a look at team number 4 on our board for the customer appreciation slot. That'll be going to the Ottawa Senators. Ottawa Senators is DJ and Ella's mom, so she'll pick up a pair of slots tonight. So there you go, spot number 27. And roulette time. So once again, there's our line of chips down the center. So we're going to spin our wheel 2 more times just to give us a couple more slots on the board. So we'll add spot number 23 to the mix. So 23 and 30. Let me just jot those down. Alright, so here's our recap of the numbers that we've spun this break. We've spun numbers 25, 4, 23, and 30. So let's go down the list and see what we get. So we had spot number 4, that is blank. We had spot number 23, which is a green chip. So we will for sure be giving away the Delton Prout. We had spot number 25, which is blank, and 30, which is also blank. So Prout it is. We'll spin our wheel again and see who's going to be taking that one home. That'll be heading, nope. That is number 33. No team associated with 33, so we'll spin again. Wow. That is 33 again. And spot number 26. So team 26 will be claiming Prout, and that is going to be bottom left-hand corner, the Vancouver Canucks. So Vancouver in this break was Mike 420 Hallett. So there you go, Mike. That's heading your way. Prout to Vancouver. And lastly, we'll take a look at versus. So it was a close one for a little bit. Red was dominating until all those black spots at the end started getting rolled. So the black card. And Drew Stafford is going to be our victor for tonight. And we will spin our wheel one last time, hopefully, and see who's going to be taking that one home. And that is going to be 35. So we will be spinning it again. No team associated with 35. That one is going to team number 7. So Stafford will be heading to team 7, who is the Buffalo Sabres. Fitting that a Buffalo Sabres card of that beauty should go to the Buffalo Sabres and DJ and Ella's mom. All right, that is our break for today. Hope you guys enjoyed yourselves. Congrats to everybody got some hits. It's a beauty seeing that shadow box too. And I hope to see you again next time.